Hey guys, this is Jake. So I've been looking to improve my lighting setup in my studio, and I found these cheap $50 lights on Amazon. So I have here the RGB LED 15 watt floodlights, and they come here in a pack of 2. I'll be unboxing the contents for you guys, and I'll be trying them out at the end of the video, so stay tuned till then. I'll be using my trusty knife Kara here to help me with today's unboxing. So from the get-go, you can see that they come with really thick cables since they're primarily designed for outdoor uses. As you can see over here, these are 3.3 foot cables and they're made of a really durable plastic. So for my purposes, they'll be quite fine. So here we have the instruction booklet from Lighting Ever, aka Ellie, and the first lamp. It also comes with a pretty small remote, very simple controls. And here we also have the second one. So you can see here that they are 15 watts IP65, which means they are waterproof and dustproof, which is perfect for outdoor uses. And here we have our second controller as well. So that's it for the contents of this package. So now we can put this away. So here you can see the cable. As I said, they're 3.3 feet long. Comes with a 3-prong plug, as well as a bracket, which is pretty sturdy and tight, so you'll really need force to move them. And you can also attach them to the wall in using the bracket as well as the holes that you see on the bracket. So for my purposes, I'll be having them either on the floor or attached to the wall. So here we have the remote control. You have here on off, a variety of colors, speed, jump, shade, and brightness adjustment. And batteries are already included. So now we just have to pull this tab and we should be good to go. We also have the second remote here, but I won't be needing that since one remote will be fine. So now I'll be setting these up right behind me. Now we have a time lapse. So this didn't take me too long to adjust. I just had to figure out where to put them and where to connect them. So I'll need to buy extension cables. But here you have the different colors it includes. So you have white, red, green, blue, yellow, orange, and purple. So you even have a flash or a jump, and as well as a fade, which you can adjust using the speed and as well as the intensity. So that's the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys do enjoy it, don't forget to click that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below to let us know what you guys want to see next. So I'll see you guys in the next one.